The next point is technical clearing account for integrated asset acquisition. SAP has introduced technical clearing account in the configuration of asset accounting for asset acquisition. I will show you where in configuration you have to enter clearing account. So I'm already in IMG screen. Go to asset accounting node and go under integration with general ledger accounting. Click this node, and here you have to assign technical clearing account for integrated asset acquisition. I will show you now in SAP ECC screen. We do not have this option in ECC. So in ECC, if you go to financial accounting, new, and go to asset accounting, integration with the general ledger accounting, so you will notice that technical clearing account option does not exist in ECC. So why SAP has introduced that? That is the question. SAP has changed the posting logic in new asset accounting related to integrated asset acquisition. The system divides now the business transaction into two parts, an operating part and a valuating part. For the operating part, that is vendor invoice, a ledger group independent document valid for all accounting principles is posted against the technical clearing account for integrated asset acquisition. Secondly, for each valuating part, that is asset posting with capitalization of the asset, a separate ledger group specific document valid for each of the accounting principles is posted against the technical clearing account for integrated asset acquisition. I will demonstrate this in the functionality changes part later on. So I will go now and configure the technical clearing account. So expand this node and execute define technical clearing account for integrated asset acquisition. Execute it and click on new entries. My chart of accounts is INT and my technical clearing account is 1001. Select it and then save it. So the data is saved. Remember, this technical clearing account should be a reconciliation account. I will show you this in transaction code FS00, where I have already created this technical clearing account. So as you can see that my GL account type, balance sheet, account group, fixed asset accounts, and then I put the text, control data. So here you have to choose reconciliation account for account type assets, and in the next tab, create bank interest, you have to choose G008 as field status group, which is assets area clearing accounts. So that's how you can create technical clearing account if it does not exist for your company code. Secondly, this technical clearing account for integrated asset acquisitions is posted automatically, and it will always have a zero balance for each of the accounting principles in the chart of depreciation.